Hi, this video is about catfish management in hatchery, which is about broodstock incubator substrate, breeding stage, Artemia and microworm, and lastly larvae care and water management. First, let me explain about broodstock and incubator substrates. To work properly with adequate safety margin, any hatchery should secure a reliable and sufficient supply of good quality fish eggs. Broodstock management is very important because it is to check the broodstock condition, presence of any wounds or absceration. If there are presence of disease, then the fish should go for the treatment. In temperate climates, the span spawners leave the hatchery in the late spring. They are given quick salt bath, which 2 until 3% salt solution for 30 to 40 seconds. For feeding protocol, the fish will feed with pellets, 30% of body daily twice a day. Incubator substrate can be made by our own. First, cut the pipe into 4. Connect each pipe using connectors. Drill holes to the pipe. Cut the neck according to the size of substrates. Lastly, tie the net to the substrate. There are several methods can be used in spawning. There are natural spawning. This takes place in a pond with little or no outside intervention. Induced spawning without hormonal treatment by stimulating natural spawning conditions in the ponds or tanks. Natural spawning with hormones and artificial spawning with or without hormonal treatment. In ornamental fish industry, ovoprim is used as a spawning aid to induce ovulation and spermation in mature. Here's the step that involve in artificial spawning. First, once the fish was anesthetized, wet the fish and return to the anesthetic bath. Determine the dose for the fish. Slowly enter the needle into the catfish body. Do not inject the fish on the lateral line. It should be injected above the lateral line with the needle at 45 degrees to the body fish. Then, transfer the fish to a clean, aerated bath for recovery. After 24 to 48 hours, the female catfish is ready to process egg stripping. Gentle stroking motion with fingers on either side of abdominal region towards the vein. After that, return the female to recovery container. In order to get sperm from male catfish, we need to kill the male and belly cut it open. Then remove the male sac. Cut the textile into bites to release sperm. Once we get the milk, add saline solution to it. Pour the mixture of saline solution and milk to the stripped eggs. Mix thoroughly. Lastly, spread the eggs inside the incubator on the spawning storage. Artemia and microworm. While the nutritional value can be manipulated, other qualities favorable for aquaculture use can be obtained by selection of strains and or their breeds. Microworms are the perfect size newly hatched fry and are meant to feed fry fish. This live food will move in the water, triggers the eating reflex of the baby fish. Lastly, about larvae care and water management. In advance of the onset of the reproduction season, the entire larvae rearing system like piping, tanks, filter and sterilizer, also air system has to be properly set. Everything should be thoroughly cleaned with divergent and disinfected with a hypochlorite solution which contains 500 ppm of active chlorides. A practical way to do it for tanks and piping is to fill them the hypochlorite solution and keep the solution in the circulation or standing for a few days. It is also mandatory to perform this cleaning operation at the end of the rearing season to avoid dirt drying and sticking. That's all from me. Thank you.